Okay, so now injectors are in, ignition coils are in, they're installed, fuel rails are cleaned. So now we're gonna give this a shot, okay? We are going to attempt for the third time. I'm gonna turn it on, third time. Alright, right here. The injectors right here. See? It says injectors. Gotta go with OEM. Alright. Now I gotta scroll. Oh, 25, 317, 628. That's the one I got. Power adder. See? I can choose nitrous, turbo, supercharger. So I have options on my Terminator X. But for now, since I don't have anything, let me go with none. Next. Map sensor. I'm using the blue hose that's coming out of the right there. That's the internal map sensor, 1 bar. So that's the internal 1 bar. Okay. So I'm just gonna hit next. Alright, that's the code. Start. Alright, so cycle the ignition for complete the operation. Okay. Operation completed. Finish. So here we go. We're going to cycle the key. Turn it off. Alright, got turned off. Turn my key on. Alright, cycle it. Turn back on. Then I got to do go back to Wizard. TPS auto set. Make sure ignition is on. Engine's not started. Press the pedal on the floor twice, slowly. Okay. 1, 2. Done. Successful. Good. Done. Multi-gauge. So, it says stall. It's going to read. There's my battery. Coolant temperature sensor. Okay. I don't have a fan hooked up yet, or no AC, so these don't count. Okay. Air fuel ratio. Okay. Status. It says open loop. Okay, not learned yet. Stall. So here we go. Whoa, a little scary. Try one more time. Fucker started. it. I love it. All right, guys. So I don't have the hose is hooked up, no antifreeze, so I'm just not gonna run it for that long. It's just enough for the video, just to let you guys know. Happy, you don't understand. All right. So what I gotta do is now I gotta do the lower radiator hose. I gotta do the upper radiator hose. Hook it up to that. Now I have coolant running. It threw the belt as I was running it, so either the tension is bad or the belt's too long, because I had it running so that the alternator charges the battery. So, and then once I get coolant, the water pump's gonna get working. Then I work on my intake. I know I have to work on my exhaust. I got some pipes in it, so excitement, guys, excitement. Woo! Here we go. As you can see, I'm happy. She turned on. You don't know how happy I am. I'm holding it all in, but I'm gonna enjoy it afterwards, guaranteed. But hey, this one's for you guys. Thank you.